room. I'm going to give you a really quick room tour. So as you walk in, obviously pop your thing in there for your electricity, light switches, lovely. Walk in here and you've got the bathroom. So you have a couple of towels, a huge mirror. Hi, I can't wait to not wear this for the next 3 weeks. Sink, toiletries, towel rail, little glass bath thing, bathtub, and some more shower rails. There used to be a little hangy thing that you dragged across to hang up clothes, but they've got rid of that. But that doesn't matter. Then we've got this wardrobe here. In here you have hangers, also a safe, dressing gown, ironing board, and an iron. I'm now going to take you into the room. So you have your little stand here with tea, coffee, some glasses, and there's a fridge. It is empty. You don't get like a mini bar unless you've got a club level room. And also a huge mirror, which looks cool because it looks like that's one big poster, but it's not. Vanity mirror there. Sorry. Ignore the luggage, that's obviously there for luggage. And then we've got a TV, quite a big TV. What I like about this room is there's so many plugs and adapters as well. So you've got a European one here, and that's your English plug there as well. Dan's just doing some editing on the Mac. Massive bed. And then you've got telephone, lights, reading lights, more plugs either side. And then you walk around here. So behind here, more plugs there, although that's kind of wired into the lamp. Hairdryer, and an adjoining room. That's the view out there. So you've got Heathrow Airport here. And, oh, I was hoping a plane would be landing. As I said, that would have made it even better, but it's not. And you've got some more seating area here.